What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and I'm back again with another banger, man. Hey, man, so today I'm basically gonna be giving my coarse hair wavers a nice gym, good little gym for today. And not GYM for y'all who don't know. Come on now, I think we all know it ain't GYM, it's GEM. Come on now, gym, coin. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, man, so I know a lot of my coarse hair wavers, y'all don't, okay, I'm not gonna say coarse hair wavers, this can be free, all textures. Let's just say all textures, but mainly my coarse hair wavers, I'm mainly speaking to y'all know that. But it's all textures. So look, as y'all know, y'all don't never wanna, the wave game is expensive, it's a lifestyle. Let's just put that out there. It's a lifestyle, it's expensive. So, products tend to be very expensive. Well, everybody else is fortunate enough to go out there and spend that, $50 for a product, $40 for a product, $30 for a product. Well, I got something here today that you have nothing, you can scrape up $5. I know you can. Come on, bro. $5? If you can't scrape up just $5, I mean, I ain't gonna discriminate you, but you can try to get $5. Like, go on you got an Instagram, right? You got a phone, right? You got free Wi-Fi, your phone probably not on. You got free Wi-Fi. Go on Instagram and tell people, just DM one of your close friends, and Cash App is free to set up. Hey man, can I borrow $5? I really want to get this product that Rico the Waver was talking about so I can get my waves right. Or hey sis, hey big bro, hey cousin, hey, you get it, etc., etc. So this product right here is $5 or less, and it's 100% natural, healthy for your hair. Best way to start off the wave game, into the wave game with the naturalist product ever. Under $5, you can't beat it. You never, all these natural products that they sell in the stores, you really not gonna find like for $5 or less. I mean, unless you use what I'm about to show y'all right here. I know y'all like, he doing a lot of talking. Let's just show me the product. It's not even a product though. This is not a product. You could treat it like a product, but it's not a product. We got, it's just something that you can use around your household, like cooking, anything. So 100% organic virgin coconut oil right here. Under $5, easily under $5. You shouldn't have to spend no more than $5 on, less than that, like $3.49, maybe $2.99, depending on where you go. So that right there works wonders. As y'all see, this is the first time y'all probably ever seen my knuckles not ashy in the video. So it worked as a lotion, it works in your hair, and it's just overall 100% natural. It's 100% organic. You feel me? It just brighten up your my whole tattoo just came to life. You feel me? Skin, shoot, face, but I ain't gonna put it on my face because I just don't want to have my face smelling like coconut. I already got my hands and everything smelling like coconut. It is personal preference. So yeah, so just like that, man, coconut oil. It's hard, just like that. And even if it melts, bro, and you got it in somewhere hot, like a hot temperature room, it's gonna harden back up when it get cold. Moisturize everything. It's 100% natural. You can put it everywhere. Or if you are fortunate enough and you got some funds to spare, head over to ricosmerch.com and grab you. Look, our oil is cheap too. 100% natural. Rico's merch oil. Head over to the site. That's if you, like I said, if you make your Cash App and you ask somebody else for another $5, my product only $10. I mean, of course, you're gonna get hit with a little bit of fees and shipping, but no, I'm just playing. Yeah, so you might have to ask them for an extra couple, like $2. Yeah, 100% natural. Essence oil. It got argan oil, hemp seed oil, jojoba, however you want to pronounce it. I ain't even on cap. I be getting that wrong all the time. Peppermint oil, pumpkin seed oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. All 100% natural. With the dropper, so it get deep into your scalp and get them dandruff and them dead hairs, and get deep in your scalp when you woofing. So besides my oil, I'm gonna show y'all the coconut oil, because that's really why y'all clicked. This is really why y'all on this video today. So I'm fresh off a washing style. Waves probably looking all out of whack. I don't know how they looking. Let's see. Are they in there? In need for a taper real bad, but they in there. Yeah, most definitely in need for the crown to be locked down. So yeah, in need for a cut ASAP. Let's just say that ASAP. We're gonna slide off the camera. I can't let y'all see the size right now. But hold on, we got a new addition to the family. Ain't nothing like a new brush right here, man. Something to keep you motivated. And ain't nothing like grabbing a new brush. Ain't nothing like it. Grabbing that new brush, bro. Oh, why you got so many brushes, bro? You got like 1,000 behind you. You got like, well, brushes get old and you throw things away. And sometimes you use different brushes for different purposes. There's hard, medium, and soft. You know, that's a whole different, if you don't know the differences between brushes by now, shoot, let me know down in the description. I'll make a video about it. Not down in the description, down in the comments, you know, kind of tired. But we got a new addition to the family. A new addition to the family. You see it? Royalty brush. We still got the royalty brushes, and we got the Rico's merger brushes if y'all haven't seen them yet. You feel me? Can't show off somebody else's brand without showing mine. You feel me? We got his, but you know, and then here go mine, you know. Nice little starter kit, you gotta start somewhere. Nice little brush, Rico's 360 surf brush right here. Focus that up. Y'all see it? Good bristles, medium. Grab you one on the website as well. Matter of fact, you can grab the bundle deal. Get you the brush and oil with each other. So let's see how this got a pull. It got multiple different colors. But this is not a video about the brush. I just want to show y'all I got a new brush. You know, I just want to show off real quick. I ain't gonna cap. I just want to show my brush off. Oh, somebody dropped. I don't know if I dropped it or somebody else dropped it, but this thing got a hole in it. Anyway, so you want to just take a dime size amount. A dime size, you could take a nice chunk size, depending on how big your head is. So if you got a head like a couple of people I know, then you might want to take a big size amount because your head is enormous. But be careful though, because it gets slippery real fast. See, lathers up real well. Turn straight to oil. It's literally coconut. It's coconut oil. Like, it's gonna turn straight to oil. You know, give your hair some life. Moisturize your hair. You know, you need something that's gonna moist. Like, you hear the word just, it's already moist itself. The word moist itself. So use it on your beard. 100% organic. You need an organic beard, organic waves. Organic, no kits. No kits. All right, so if you brushing and you got coarse hair, don't be afraid that your hair is lifting up. It's gonna lift up. You have coarse hair. And matter of fact, I don't know if y'all can hear me. I got the mic. It's probably like messing all up. I don't know. We're gonna just poke that out because I'm like brushing and it's like going against my neck. Good little vertical brushing. So it's almost time to cut it. I'm almost at that time of overwoofing. Probably gonna cut sometime this weekend because it's about that time. Probably sometime this weekend or probably Monday or something. So I'm about to go in on my brush session. You know, I didn't really make this video to get a full brush session in with y'all. I'll brush for a little bit, but the rest, I'm gonna just hurry up and speed my brush session up. But I just want to come on here just to drop some knowledge to y'all real quick on, you know, what natural ingredients you can use for a cheap price. So if you waving on the budget or anything like that, by the way, my waving on the budget video went crazy. It went crazy. I made a, what did I make? Did I make a Target version? I made a Target version, but that one was a little bit more expensive. I might make another Walmart version. If y'all get this video, I'll say, let's shoot for 100 likes. Get this video to 100 likes, and we'll make another Walmart version. Cause that one at like, what, 10, 12K right now? Y'all was digging that one. But you know, I got a new camera. I got everything now. I got a new camera now, so, everything gonna sound a little bit more better. The audio was kind of messed up on that one, but it still smacked 12K though. Still smacked 12K. And y'all complained about the audio a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. It was a little off, but it wasn't that bad. Like, it was bearable. I've heard way worse before. I've heard worse. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, my hair has a natural shine. It has a natural shine from it. And you just want to go in with your brush session. You walk out the bathroom or walk out of your wherever you brushing at. They gonna be like, damn, why your hair? You smell like coconut. You smell like coconuts, bro. You smell like, or your girl, ooh, babe, you smell like coconut. You smell good. What's that, your new cologne? Oh no, baby, that's just my ways. No, baby, no. Yeah, y'all see it, man. But you just want to go in with your brush session, go crazy, man. Man, pop back in focus, man. Damn, I told you to like the video, bro. Don't make me do it again, bro. I told you to like the video. Damn. Roger. I told you to like the video, bro. Stop playing with me. I'm just playing with y'all, man. I'm finna finish my brush session though, man. 100% natural, organic. 100% natural. 100% organic virgin coconut oil. Perfect for the waves. A1. Just want to come on here and show y'all that. Like, go grab that, man. I'm putting y'all up on game. Like, at this point, I could just kick back, lean on the wall, and chill. Cause you should be on your way. You know, in the passenger seat, you should be on your way to any grocery store. That's where you get it from. I forgot to tell y'all where to get it from. Don't go to no beauty supply talking about, y'all got organic coconut oil in here? Don't do that, because they're gonna give you that Hollywood beauty stuff, and that stuff is trash. Go to Walmart, go to Target, but you wanna spend some money cheaper. You wanna really go to Walmart. You wanna really go to Walmart though. It's cheaper. That's where they got that's where I got mine from, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, go ahead and go there and get your coconut oil. You can get your natural olive oil. All of that, man, 100% natural. Because if you go in the beauty supply and you get like, 100% quote unquote, or 99% quote unquote natural ingredients, and it's supposed to be natural olive oil or natural coconut oil, it's not natural, y'all. If you look at the back, it's plenty of the ingredients, food coloring, all type of weird stuff on the back that Like, come on now. If you look at the back of this one, the back of this product right here, or, you know, for me, take a screenshot right now. Just screenshot it right now. Here, go right here. Right here. Let me focus it up. Organic coconut oil? Organic? Organic? Hey, man. Yeah, I got your screenshot in. Hope you did. Go get that, bro, because all the other stuff is not it. Like, for instance, do I got some over here? I don't even got no unnatural products. I threw it all away. Yeah, I threw all my unnatural products away. I ain't gonna lie. All that Hollywood Beauty, all them other products that got like 1,000. The sheet is like this amount long, and it's supposed to be 100% natural. How come when I got my coconut oil, it's literally ingredients? The only ingredient is organic virgin coconut oil. But if I get stuff from another brand, that's the same thing, supposed to be 100% natural, 100% coconut oil. It's a bunch of other stuff in there, man. Trust. So get your brush sessions in. If you brushing, get your waves locked down. If you're going to go get that, man, I just put you up on game. I hope I can help, man, during these holidays. And hey, man, it's your boy Rico. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Everything is in the description below. Make sure y'all get the video to 100 likes. If y'all want to see me do a video breaking down, you know, the differences between brushes, or y'all want to see my brush collection, either or do-rag collection, whatever it is, let me know down in the comments below. But my website in the description, so you can grab the oil and the brush, the package together, bundle, do-rags, all that stuff. Also follow me on TikTok. I'll be on there consistently. And follow me on Instagram at ricothewaver. I'm out, gang.